Hi, this is Alan. It's the first time in a year and a month that my wife has hiccups. And it sounds so funny.
Oh, I can't breathe.
Are you going to talk to him now?
Oh, I can't breathe. Okay, so hold my nose and plug it, or what did you say?
Hold your breath and drink.
Excuse me.
Alright, that's all.
Okay, so I want to...
Hold your breath. Not plug your nose. Hold your breath. Drink. But don't, just hold your breath and drink. Don't drink a little bit, drink a lot. Or hold your breath and burp. Was you? That was. Well, who else was doing it? Hey, me. I did not. No, I did not.
Excuse me. Is it gone?
No.
Come scare me or something.
How can I scare you to see you coming?
I'll close my eyes.
Yeah.
I don't want to be scared.
Close your eyes. Quit peeking. Quit peeking.
I'm not peeking.
Bullshit. Watch.
Oh.
What?
Let's try one more time.
Yes.
Help me weight loss
Keep
surgery
going.
community. Anyone else have a problem? Hiccups?
This up here? Right there.
I have not had a hiccup since way before surgery. It just came on. I took my vitamins and it's caused the hiccups. What causes hiccups? Let's try this one more time. No, I think they're gone. Alan, I think they're gone. It's like anticipation. Are they coming? Alan, I would have hiccuped by now. Yeah, see, I'm drinking and I'm not hiccuping afterwards.
There you go.
I think they're gone. This is a little silly little hiccup video. Sorry. I just was curious if anyone else is. They're gone, Alan.
Told you.
If anyone else deals with this. I gotta Google hiccups and what causes that. Hope everyone else is doing okay. Don't get the hiccups. Bye.